Hi, today I wanted to share the benefits that I got from listening to Earl Nightingale's The Strangest Secret in the World. I got some amazing results. I have been listening to this audio since 9th of June, so it's about a little bit more than a month, and I have got such amazing results. I want to talk about the three benefits that I got out of it. So, the first benefit is I got laser focused towards my goal. So what I have fixed in my mind, I'm totally doing that every single available minute in the day, and I'm not getting diverted towards anything. Earlier I was hooked onto MasterChef. I have watched like 69 hours of episodes in less than a month, and since 9th of June I haven't seen a single episode. So that was a very big win for me. Second benefit that I got was I was connecting to the right people. I don't know how, it just does something to your mind. I was connecting to the right people. I was talking to the right people. I am kind of making right decisions. So that is another amazing thing that happened. The third most important benefit that I got was this amazing boost of confidence. I don't know, I was always scared of making a YouTube channel. I was like, what will people think? What will my friends think? What will my family think? But after listening to this video, there is something happened in my head, and I was like, chuck it. I have to do this. I want to do this. And I launched my YouTube video. Okay, it's just like one video old, but I have got such amazing feedback from my friends and family, and it is so motivating. So please do watch this every single day. Earl Nightingale's The Strangest Secret in this World. Thank you.